Hey guys, in this short video I will show you how to install two styles of magwells on a Scorpion Evo 3. Our first magwell is made by Tony System and it's made of aluminum. To mount this magwell you need a 2mm Allen key. We also recommend using a Tony System mag release for the best experience. Before we begin, make sure you have an empty chamber. Screw out the grab screws on the sides and simply slide on the magwell. Now screw them back in and you're done. Our second magwell is the Warlock series made by Manual Corp. We also recommend using it with the Warlock mag release. For the installation you'll need a hammer, 4mm roll pin punch and 2.5mm Allen key. Align the punch with the mag release roll pin and hammer it out. Be careful when removing the mag release so you won't lose the small spring there. Now slide on the magwell and place back the mag release. Align the holes and put in the magwell screw. If you're sure all holes are aligned, you might use a hammer to drive the screw in. Now put the hex nut on the other side and use the Allen key to secure the screw in place. I hope this video was helpful, and on behalf of the CZ Parts team, I wish you happy shooting.